English tip by tip.
Tip 38. What time is it? It's 12 o'clock. It's 5 to 12. It's 5 past 12. It's 10 to 12. It's 10 past 12. It's a quarter to 12. It's a quarter past 12. It's 20 to 12. It's 20 past 12. It's 25 to 12. It's 25 past 12. It's a half past 12. What time is it? Morning, AM, anti-meridian, afternoon, PM, post-meridian, night, 6 a.m., morning, 10 a.m., morning, 1 p.m., afternoon, 5 p.m., afternoon, 10 p.m., night, 1 a.m., night, 5 a.m., night, 12 a.m., midnight, 12 p.m., noon. Tip 38. Exercise. Fishing. It's noon. It's 3 o'clock. It's 5 past 10. It's 5 to 9. It's 6 o'clock. It's a quarter past 5. It's 10 past 4. It's a quarter to 2. It's 7:30.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.